You want to do this? I was a former teacher, but we had decided as a family that it was important for me to stay home. I was really intrigued with this idea of being able to have your own business, being able to craft your own hours, and still be able to stay home.
I remember when Katie first started the business and seeing the marketing type stuff, and it showed like people driving in the cars and all that stuff. I think we both kind of looked like, I don't think we'll ever get to these different things, and then obviously now she's surpassed that, way surpassed that.
The summer can be so much fun. Roughly 3 years into the business, I was able to replace my teaching income. And since then, I've been able to more than replace my income. I'm really excited about spending this morning really helping us all to grow. I've really always made the goals of my team members my own personal goals. And so really it's always been about them and helping them to succeed and helping them to get to where they want to be. And in return, you get ultimately the things that you want.
Caleb was born. Shaklee allowed us to be able to move into this home. At the time, Caleb was stuck in a closet, you know, just a young family, right? You're trying to get by, and so Katie's business was growing, and we was able to move into a home where he's got his own bedroom now.
In less than 5 years, Shaklee has taken us on 7 trips, and next year we'll be going to China and to Cabo, Mexico, so that will be our 8th and 9th Shaklee trip. What has been so amazing with our business is the freedom that we have and the opportunities we've been given to live our life the way that we desire and not that somebody else has set for us.
It's given us choices that of freedom, like Katie talked about, but choices in the context of, okay, I'm going to choose to work now. I'm going to choose to go to swim lessons for my kids or give to somebody in need. It's really choices and options that allows us to have.
It really doesn't feel like work at the end of the day because I love being able to do this and I love being able to help people and I love being able to use my background as an educator to help people find their passions and to help people use the potential that they've been given to help make this world a better place.